So I just came out of like a really low sad week, which sounds really strange, especially for me, but my energy was just so low and I felt very genuinely sad. I kind of lose sense of like my purpose and my place in the world, which sounds so dramatic, but I question everything about the tracks that I've taken so far. Kind of like one of those hotel room hairdryers that you try and use and it kind of just like overheats and it's too hot and your hair is still damp and you don't really know what to do with yourself. Because it took me like a whole week. I also had another realization of how short term and how temporary sadness and low moments can be. And I feel a lot happier now.
Talk to you, man.